welcome to HOD Weels. Hope you like the name.
Yeah, of course.
You must.
Yes.
That was another question. Okay.
It was not on the list.
Okay. I'm really happy you're here. You had time to for this quick interview. We're gonna talk a bit about your project. So today is all about you guys. So, can you maybe start explaining something about the challenge, Alexander?
Yeah, of course. The RAG as a former mining company has the task to monitor some of the remains of the old mining, and we do that by remote sensing and using GIS techniques. And the goal was to develop some kind of algorithm or software project which allows us to find mining-induced terrain forms in only one data set. So we fly over a specific region every year, and normally you have to compare two data sets from 2 years to find such forms in the terrain. And we wanted to achieve this just with one data set.
Okay, that's great. So you found your partner in Spacedatists, and I saw that the cooperation is dating back 2018. I mean, it's like 4 years, almost 5.
Almost 4 years from now.
No, almost 4 years.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was counting bad. So it's almost 4 years. So actually, your cooperation is lasting more than some marriages. So how can you do that? I mean, what's your secret? How can it be possible? I mean, this can be good to know for even couples, you know.
Yes, actually, we had a nice start. Both our business and our work, our daily work, is based on geoinformation technology, on geoinformation, on geodata. So this is somehow something we rely on. We have our similar mindsets, and with this problem and with this use case, we had a common sense of how to approach this problem, because the RAG always have been working with large information, large data sets of LiDAR terrain data, and we are a startup and a company focusing on analyzing and using and gathering and also producing spatial information and geodata, and this is somehow that we both benefit from right from the start. So we had mutual understanding how to approach the problem, and yes, it was very beneficial. And also we are both using the same technology, so there was always no problem in sharing data, information, and the results. So this was quite easy for us.
We speak the same language, I would say.
And but before meeting like RAG, were you ever thinking about the possibility of cooperating with a mining company, or it was completely out of the blue? I mean,
this was completely out of range of our business model, because we were focusing on data analytics, geodata analytics, and we were always looking for use cases, data challenges, and so on. And it was surprising that we are in the Ruhr area, and we are our office is in Dortmund, and the RAG is in Herne. It was our neighborhood somehow. There was a very interesting data challenge, and we said, okay, let's participate, let's make an application, and it was just a surprising situation for us, and we never really thought that they would come to a cooperation. It was a worldwide data challenge. I think we had to compete with about 150 startups from all over the world. And we put a lot of effort into the application. And,
I can imagine.
It was funny. We have shown 2 different approaches, which were actually good, we thought, and Well, but they haven't been satisfying enough, but we already had the contract, and then we had to start again from zero. But
Oh,
somehow
God.
we made it. We made it through with even better results.
Wow. Is there anything you want to say, Alexander? I mean, to a startup who wants to impress,
Yeah.
let's say, corporate. Is there any
Yeah,
suggestion?
as Jakob said, be real. So don't be fake. Don't show data that was manipulated. Yeah, and I think if you are real and the communication is good, you will almost every time solve the problems you get there. So
Okay, so be authentic.
yeah, definitely.
That's the thing.
Yeah,
Okay,
and
then-
be communicative.
Okay. So communication is important.
Yeah.
And authenticity must be
Yeah.
there. Oh, that's very good.
So communication is two parts belong to the communication, so that's not always in your hand. Yeah, but it's a real important part. So
Yeah. Yeah, but even the authenticity is really, like, I think it's a very good suggestion to be authentic, don't fake it,
yeah,
and show what you have. I mean, show what you can really do.
yeah.
Perfect. Really, really appreciate that. And I hope even the other startups will appreciate your suggestions. Huh? Okay. So really, thank you very much for this interview. It was really amazing.
Thanks.
Thanks for
Really,
having
really
us.
amazing.